Hello, fabulous art enthusiasts! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, where today we're embarking on a whimsical drawing adventure, one that's as fun as a cat chasing its tail, cuddled up with a fluffy yarn ball. So roll up your sleeves, grab your art supplies, and let's jump into a world of cuteness, coziness, and endless fun. First, we'll sketch those two adorable cat ears. Crafting a face that's round and oh so huggable. But this isn't just any cat, it's got heaps of character. Picture this, two closed eyes, a teensy pointy nose, and the cutest smile you ever did see. And wait, there's more. There are mustaches on both sides, giving our feline friend an extra dose of charm. This cat is already grinning from ear to ear. Now let's add a fluffy arm, a round squeezable body, and a leg, all snuggled up together in the coziest embrace. And don't forget that curly, fluffy tail. But what's this? Underneath our fluffy kitty, there's a surprise. A yarn ball. It's like a cat's dream come true. We'll sketch out some loose yarn playfully wrapping around the ball, adding that touch of realism. And here's the fun part. We're going to draw yarn that's not just on the ball, but going all over our cat's face and wrapped around its body. It looks like this little kitty has been having a blast with its yarn ball, and it's all tangled up in the joy of play. Now it's time for a well-deserved cat nap while hugging its beloved yarn ball. To set the stage for this heartwarming scene, we'll sprinkle some hearts here and there, adding warmth and love to the entire composition. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, let's add some vibrant colors. Our bundle of joy, the cat, gets painted in a cheerful shade of yellow. But to give it even more personality, we'll add pops of orange patches here and there on its body. As for the yarn ball, it gets a vibrant blue hue that instantly lights up the whole scene. And let's not forget to sprinkle some red hearts to bring extra warmth and affection to this heartwarming artwork. Wow, our cuddled up yarn cat is complete. I hope you had as much fun watching this video as I did creating it. But before we say goodbye, make sure to subscribe to Easy Peasy Art for more creative adventures like this one. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep creating, and let's continue spreading the joy of art together.